Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite Insta360 camera mounts.
Oh, rock! Oh, I know this stick. Oh, that was fun. Okay, so this mount here is the Insta360 selfie stick mount. It just screws in.
That's a very weird thing, right?
All right, and then take off your cover.
It's gotta be the right position now, doesn't it?
Doesn't matter, it's a 360 camera.
As long as it doesn't hit you.
And then up you go. Turn it on. All right, let's go try it out.
The good thing about this is you don't have to take your ski pole and hold a selfie stick and try to figure out what to do with your other ski pole. So you're kind of killing two birds in one stone. And you can get some pretty cool shots with it.
So we got it mounted here. And yeah, it's an invisible selfie stick on your ski pole. So here's what I like about the 360 camera. Go down where the fresh groomed was. Is I can video myself or I can video my friends just by tracking them or myself. And I can switch back and forth and I can get us both in the shot.
Next is a custom backpack. It's a bit tricky to get this one to work well, but when it does, it's pretty cool.
But no lollipops are up.
Next up is the unicorn mount. This one is a bit different to ski with because you have all that weight hanging off the front of your helmet, but the shots that you can get are pretty cool.
Woo, yes, worth the hike. Yeah, absolutely. Woo.
Now I'm going to show you how just with one camera, one Insta360 camera, how many different angles you can get. You can get horizontal for YouTube, or you can get a vertical shot for Instagram and TikTok, all from the same shot, so there's no need to run multiple cameras. Now we have the standard helmet mount, where you can, again, you can switch from horizontal to vertical to front to back. It's whatever you want to choose. So again, it's pretty cool. You only need one camera to do this.
Phew! Wow, that is the best skiing. So good. Right down the gut. Woo! Wow. Oh man. Yeah. All by myself. Yeah. Woohoo!
Now I'm on the pole mount here. I honestly think this is the most versatile mounting system I have, as the Insta360 camera just on top of my ski pole.
Woohoo! Woo! Yeah. Good call. Still gotta watch out for the lumps. Woo! Oh, that was fun.
And easily the most versatile mount I have is the mono mount on top of my Deorum ski poles. I've basically permanently affixed the Insta360 camera to the mount actually, because it's so versatile. Look at all the shots you can get from your ski pole without having to carry any extra gear like a selfie stick.
I'm not a racing carver. I'm a hack, so it's all you get. Now this lower section here was actually pretty good.
Next up, I'm going to show you how I edit my 360 videos, and it's pretty much just on the desktop. I like the big screens.
So,